Yo, what's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on with JASMY? Let's have a look at that candle, guys. Well, like I said earlier, guys, I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so, right? So what we need to see here, guys, is we need to see this daily candle close outside of this descending channel. That's what we're waiting for, right? If we can see this candle close out above this trend line, then maybe we see a retrace to retest the trend line to confirm the breakout, and then we go. Or we could just go. One of the two, right? But either way, what we need to see is this candle has to close above this trend line. We still have about 4.5 hours before that can happen. So we could fall back down inside of here in that time frame, right? Hopefully not, but yeah. Guys, I've been telling you guys that this was coming, right? I've been telling you guys that this was coming. Every day people have been asking me. And you know what's funny? Oh, you can't even see me. Here's me face. You know what's funny about it, guys? Is that I've been telling you guys this was coming for like 3 weeks now, right? So everyone knew it was coming. No word of a lie. I've already received dozens of messages this morning. Rob, do you think JASMY's going to retrace down so I can buy some? Are you kidding me right now? I've been telling you for 3 weeks that it was a good buying opportunity. And now people are asking me if it's going to come back down so that they can buy some. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's funny. It's just funny, I suppose, right? That's why I tell you guys these things are going to happen so that you're ready for them. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the struggle. When things are down like JASMY has been and sentiment is low, and you tell people it's going to pop, guys, it's going to pop. People don't believe you. They don't want to listen to it because the sentiment is low. They're like, I'm not buying that. Look how down it is. I'm not buying that. It's never coming back. I'm not buying that. And then it pops, and then they're like, oh, do you think it's going to go back down so I can buy some? No. No. You know, it's funny. It's people, human beings, the way we work is very, very funny like that, right? It's very weird. You know, you didn't want to buy it when it was down. And now that it's popped up, like I said it was going to do, now you want to go back down so you can buy some. I don't know. It's strange. It's strange, but it is what it is, I suppose. Right? Yeah, so look at that candle, guys. Look at that candle. Let's get into the chat a little bit here. Balaclava Man, what's going on, brother? What's going on? Let's go. William in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, my man. Good to see you. XCN struggling right now. Struggling? What chart are you watching? So here's the thing, guys. Some people are very, very you can tell when someone has a lack of experience because a lot of, I'll say for lack of a better word, theater and dramatics comes into it when you see the tiniest little, and this here, guys, this is actually what we want. Look at XCN right now. Look at it, right? We wick down. We're still inside this bull pennant. We're actually at the top of this bull pennant, right? Where I want to see us ping pong inside of here for another week or so, till next week at least would be great. Building up that level of support, right? But because we're not pumping, because we're down here inside of here, people are saying, oh, it's struggling. This is standard procedure. This is standard stuff. This is not struggling. This is standard consolidation inside of a bullish structure. That's what this is. This is not struggling, right? But again, you know, understanding these things, I suppose, comes with experience and time in the market. I suppose. So, but no, this is not what struggling looks like. This is what consolidation inside of a bullish structure looks like. Do you think carbon credits will be a bigger player in the next bull run? If you're referring to JASMY, I don't think that the carbon credits exchange is going to be positive. Like, it's not going to help boost the value of the JASMY's token unless they create some sort of utility on the carbon credits exchange for JASMY specifically, because right now there's not, right? So that's what I would say to that. But as far as carbon credits go, yeah, I think they will be big, continuing to move forward. We see big companies like Tesla and stuff like that talk about how important it is. But I don't think that those cryptos, if there's carbon credit cryptos, I don't think that they will be any sort of, I don't think that narrative is going to be a leading narrative in the next bull run, though. No. WF Capital, what's up, man? I got the gem, 7 milli. Let's go. Nice, man. Nice. Yes. That gem is getting ready to pop off, man. If you don't know what I'm talking about, guys, we released a gem over on the Patreon that is going to do magic, like XCN type magic, guys. It's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be phenomenal. You got to get over to the Patreon, guys. You got to know what's going on. Got to be a part of it. Green tea. Hello, everyone. Nice to see JASMY having a time. It's time in the spotlight. We never doubted you, JASMY. Exactly. We never doubted you, JASMY. Yeah, for me, it's funny because I've been telling everyone, it feels like I've been telling everyone forever that this is going to come, right? And it finally is starting to happen. This is just the start of it happening, right? Metal Detecting England, what's up, man? Hello, Rob and JASMY, XCN Swift family in the house, man. I got 2 milli. Maybe I should upgrade. Damn. Yeah. Got to pump those numbers up. Troy, what's going on from Alaska? Alaska in the house, man. I dig it. XCN's not struggling. It's consolidating. Look at the chart back January 5th time. Yes, exactly. Thank you. That's what I just said. Exactly. It's not struggling at all. Gamma Goddess in the house. How you doing? What's going on, Rob and Crypto Father and Crypto Family? How is everyone doing? You already know what time it is. It's time to get this money. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Let's get that powder, guys. Bought more of them gems this morning. Nice. That's how it's done. I'm going to be doing some buying this afternoon, guys, just so you know. You guys will probably get my buy alerts. Nothing major. I'm not going to go crazy because everything's kind of up, but there are 2 projects that I could still lower my cost average on. So I'm going to buy them today, and I'll let you guys know. I'll let the Patreon members and the YouTube members know what it is I'm shopping for today, so that you guys can get on board, whether you want to get some or not. Right? It's up to you. But yeah, I'm real excited about this gem we picked out, guys, over on the Patreon. I'm very excited about it. As always, guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. It doesn't cost you anything, and I'll love you forever, right? Shane, excuse me, Mr. Future Sir. Can I borrow your crystal ball? No soup for you. Has anyone heard of Hushai? No, I've never heard of that. Dumb Money's in the house. What's up, buddy? This is a game of patience. Been waiting 57 years. I can wait another couple months. Yes, exactly. Exactly, man. Hope your week has been blessed, Rob and family. It's an honor to be here with you. It's awesome to have you here, Big C. We love you, man. We love you. Icy Oracle, anyone buying JASMY or ACH? I mean, no, because they've both been pumping, right? JASMY, I bought all of this here, all this red here. That was me buying JASMY here when I was telling you guys about it. And you guys will remember, listen, I told everyone on the Patreon, I told you guys here on the channel about 4 days ago, I dropped about 10 grand into JASMY down here, right? Because I told you I was putting my money where my mouth was. I knew this pop was coming. And now I'm up today 42% on my 10 grand. Just on my 10 grand, right? So that's what conviction in a project gets you guys, right? But no, ACH, I mean, let's go look at Alchemy Pay here first. I want to see what I'm curious what the price action is doing. It's up another 30% today. Yeah, it's been running like crazy, guys. I would never recommend chasing a green candle like this, right? It's been running too hot for too long. Look at that. Had a massive dump there the other day, though, eh? Wow. Wow, look at that. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's due for a correction. I wouldn't be buying the tops. I don't want to be exit liquidity. Beebs, what's shaking, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Any thoughts on I don't know anything about that one. Thomas, going to keep buying the dips. If it goes down, yeah. Like I said, there's two projects in particular I'm going to be buying today. I will put my buy alerts out there on the Patreon. Like I said, guys, because listen, my cost average, I'm still in the red on them. So I figure, hey, why not lower my cost average, right? And continue to scoop some more up. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Still some opportunities out there. Still some opportunities out there, guys, right? Take advantage while you can. Take advantage because these prices are not going to last much longer. We got the green light from Powell, guys. Hey, Rob, thanks for the help you provide. You make a lot of technical information easy to understand. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem, man. H. Barbarina in the house. What's going on, man? Hippity hop. When one project slows down, another one starts pumping. That's the beauty of diversification. Exactly. 100%, man. 100%. Bruno, what's good, man? What's good? Paul, hey, Rob, nice to see you again. Good to see you too, brother. Good to see you here. I love seeing you every day, man. I love seeing you every day. Amazing coins for you in the house. Moto, Rob, my man. Got some dry powder waiting on a dip. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too. I'm itching to deploy, right? Jamie, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Batlander, yo, Rob, let's get it. Let's get that money, man. Jasmy to the moon. Yo, yo, yo. Jess, what's going on? Thanks for all you do for us. You're amazing. I do what I can, Jess. I do what I can. I love you guys. I love this community, man. Bronny, love this channel. This channel loves you too, brother. The sleeping monster woke. Jasmy, yes, we've been waiting for it. We've been waiting for it. Jamie says, as a member of the Patreon, would you do me the kindness of doing a quick TA on Velo? I'm curious what you see in the charts, future man. Yeah, you know what? I can do that for you, brother. As a member of the Patreon, I can certainly do that for you. You're going to have to tell me, though, which Velo you're talking about. Velodrome Finance or just Velo? Because both are rather popular. So let me know in the chat which one you're talking about, my man. Jasmine's about to dump. Bought some more in before this pump. Glad I did. Yep. I bought some and hoping to buy more. I'm happy I've been listening to you. Me too, man. Me too. Rob, you only had to say it once, and I bought more Jasmy. There you go, brother. There you go. Dennis got more Jasmy a couple days. Good timing, man. Good timing, brother. Time in the market beats timing the market. Buy X, Y, or Z and hold until you have the return you want. Exactly. Patience. That's the thing, man. That's the thing most people don't understand. That if you don't have patience, right? Professional investing, guys, is about, investing in projects that you believe in and then having the conviction and the patience to allow the time for your investment to mature, right? And the problem is in crypto, a lot of new people that come in are kind of indoctrinated into this mindset of instant gratification that crypto is going to make you a millionaire in a month, right? And that's not the fault of new people coming into crypto. We have to do a better job as a community in crypto of not giving that impression, because crypto is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a get rich in the long term scheme, so to speak, right? Again, patience. I've been here you guys know this. I've been here for multiple cycles. I've watched all kinds of strategies and plans and shortcuts come and go, right? By thousands of people over the years. And what I can tell you is that the strategy that I have deployed over the last, multiple cycles that I've been here has never steered me wrong, ever, not one time. And that is quite simple, right? We buy in the bottom of the bear market. We DCA for 2.5, 3 years until we start getting close around the Bitcoin halving event. We wait for the Bitcoin halving, and then we still DCA, and we wait for the blow off top, right? And we don't sit there and get emotional about our investments. We don't get frustrated because the project's not pumping when we don't want it to. Because at the end of the day, guys, listen, when you're investing in crypto, there's a thing called the 4-year cycle, whether you know it, if you're new to crypto or not. And that is your timeline, okay? That's your timeline. Now, I often tell people that the peak of the cycle will be between the middle of September and the middle of November of this year. And I get that number by basing an average amount of days between the Bitcoin halving event and the peak of every cycle. I've showed you guys this on the chart multiple times, but I'm speaking more for the new people here, okay? So that would put us somewhere, like I said, between September and November. So getting frustrated in, I don't know, October of 2024, when the peak of the bull run is not until the fall of 2025, is mind-bogglingly ridiculous, right? I've often used the analogy, getting frustrated that your altcoins aren't going parabolic in a part of the bull run that they're not supposed to be going parabolic is like putting up a Christmas tree in July, waking up in the morning and being pissed off that there's no Christmas presents under your tree. What the hell are you doing? It's not Christmas, right? So patience, perseverance, and consistency is how you win in crypto. That's it. There is no trick. There's no shortcut. There's no get-rich-quick scheme. For every one person who you hear becomes a millionaire in a meme coin, there's 100,000 people who got wrecked on that same meme coin, right? You just don't hear about them. So if you really, truly want to make life-changing wealth for yourself, right, you join over on something like our Patreon, where we will help you devise a strategy over a 4-year cycle. Yes, it's painful. It takes time, but it will make you successful. And isn't that what matters, right? You want to make a 7-figure portfolio, 8-figure portfolio? Brandon, like you just said, brother, like you just said, patience and time in the market beats timing the market. You get in, you deploy your strategy, you stick to your strategy, you stay away from all of the emotionally charged content that influencers put out there to try to elicit an emotional response out of you. You take your profits before the peak of the market so you're not competing with everybody else, and then you rinse and repeat. That's really, really it at the end of the day, right? But too many people, crypto is so easy that it's hard because people overthink it, right? So I guess, not to go off on, sorry, I went off on a little bit of a rant there, guys, but it's so easy that it's hard, right? So if this is you, get over to the Patreon. We will help you devise a strategy and stick to a plan that will help. Guys, we've had over 20 in the last 2.5 weeks, over 20 new Patreon members tell us that they have officially hit 7-figure portfolios because of the strategies and the projects that we're getting into over there, right? So what are you waiting for is the question, I suppose. XEN is dropping. I don't know about it struggling. Yeah, no, it's not struggling. It's consolidating inside of a bull pennant right now. It could fall. XEN could fall all the way down to here. Let's have a look at it. We could fall all the way down to the bottom of this trend line here around 2 cents 7.3, and we would still be inside of a bullish structure. Hell, we could drop below, test support down here at 2 cents 4, and then wick right back up inside of here, and it would still be inside a bullish structure, right? So yes, absolutely, guys. It's it's not struggling, but like I said, people with a lack of experience in the market tend to become over dramatic when when a project, they see a project going parabolic for so long, like XCN has, and then it has a little bit of a consolidation period. They freak out, right? They think that it's crashing. This is the worst thing in the world all of a sudden, right? So What do we got? What do we got? Big Bodo, what's up, brother? My man, the legend, the future. Robin Hood, bro, literally helped me change my portfolio. We didn't even have a one-on-one yet. Love you, brother. Aloha. Nice. That's what I like to hear, brother. That's the plan. That's what we do, man. I appreciate you, my man. I appreciate you. Where are we here? Kind of lost where I was. About holding and DCAing on JASMY. Yes. That's the plan, man. Consolidation is healthy. Exactly. Exactly. Any hope on VeChain? Oh, yeah. VeChain will be fine. VeChain will be fine. I hold a tiny bit of VeChain. Charmander's in the house, man. I love it, man. I love it. Yo, Lily. Funny story, Lily. The video, the live stream that we did over on the Patreon yesterday, I was going to name it because you asked me to title the videos. I was going to title it Random Title for Lily. I didn't, though. That would have been funny. Dumb money, Rob. Go back to where we started buying XCN and how long we had to wait for it to lift off. That was struggling. Yes. Yes, that was long, tedious days of struggling, man. A lot of people questioning, is it ever going to pop off? Is it ever going to, should I get out of it and roll my money into something else? Should I sell it at a loss? Oh, yeah. All kinds of people were, getting shaken out and stuff like that back then, man. But we persevered, man. And we won because of it. Right. So David, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Ken, good afternoon, Rob. Do you think we can get to 11 cents before the end of the week on JASMY? No, I don't. Good afternoon, Rob. When it comes to XCN struggling, people stop looking at your investments every 5 minutes. It will absolutely drive you crazy. Yes, exactly. We have a timeline, guys. Your timeline should not have changed because of the price action in the short term, right? I can't find the link to join the Patreon. It's in the chat, man. It's in the chat. You're over on X right now, right? You know what I'm going to do for you right now, man? I'm going to put it in the I'm going to put it in the comment section of this stream on X so that you just can scroll down. So there you go. I put it in there for you right now. Easy to find, brother. Easy to find. Lily, what do we got here? Thank you, Rob. You're okay. No problem, Lily. No problem, man. Any thoughts on LCX? I'm bullish on LCX. If you have altcoin requests, guys, they go in the tab at the top of the chat that says goals. You just click on that and you enter your altcoin request in there. And I will do some TA on your altcoins. I will have a look at them. Thoughts on Flare and Velo? It woke up a little today. What's the next couple of weeks look like in your opinion? Flare, someone's already asked me about Velo, so I will look at Velo as soon as I get a green light on which Velo we're talking about. But Flare, I'm very bullish on Flare. Very bullish on Flare. It's up 16% on the day. Holy smokes. Let me go to the daily here for Flare and see what it looks like. Kind of looks like it's honestly, this kind of looks like it's setting up for a nice little bull flag, man. If I'm being honest with you for Flare. If I'm being honest with you, got a little bit of a bull flag set up starting here, man. Your breakout on this, if it plays out this way, I mean, broke out from here, you'd probably be looking at somewhere around that 4 cent 7 level, something like that. Yeah, you could have a nice move on Flare coming up here on the daily time frame. Looks pretty good. It might take a little bit longer to consolidate in this structure, but it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, man. As for Velo, you're going to have to tell me which one you're talking about. I get paid tomorrow. Enough time to join the Patreon? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. Listen, there's 3 gems that we just dropped over there, guys. One in particular, I'm extremely bullish on. I've been buying it like crazy. I think they're going to move very similar to XCN, okay? But those aren't the only gems that we're going to drop over there, right? I might find another one this weekend to drop over there, right? We drop them randomly and consistently. So if you want to get in early on these plays, guys, you know, and you don't have to catch it. The beauty is you don't have to. Here's the beauty of it, guys. They're not Pokemon, right? You don't have to catch every single gem that we drop. You can choose because we drop enough of them that you can sit there and choose, right? Which one you want to go for. Because all you got to do is hit on one of them. The membership's only $15. That's it, right? Literally, we have, like I said, we have 20 in the last 2 or 3 weeks members over on the Patreon who have announced they've now got 7-figure portfolios because they paid a $15 membership. You made a 7-figure portfolio on a $15 membership, right? You can't beat that, guys. That's pretty much, someone just made you a millionaire for pretty much free, right? And we drop the gems randomly. So you just got to hit on one of them and you're golden, right? That pays for your membership for a lifetime. Beebs, XPR has a solid chart as well, does it? I haven't looked at the XPR chart in a while. Danny, what's up, buddy? Marco, which video do I click after I join the Patreon? I dropped a video over there for new people yesterday, and it should be one of the first videos up on the like one of the latest videos dropped. I just dropped it yesterday, so just check out that one. It's just an introduction for the new people, telling you about the new gems that we're looking at right now, and telling you about, you know, how everything kind of works and how to schedule one-on-ones and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, definitely check it out, man. Super fantastic. Joined the Patreon the other day. Happy. Nice, Bronny. Nice, brother. It's awesome to have you. Sun is hot in the house. Andy, welcome over to the member side, my friend. Andy loves the Lord. Yes, awesome. Me too, man. Me too. Jasmy to Houston, entering outer space. Let's freaking go. Any hope for V? Yes, already talked about that. What's going on with Swift? What's going on with Swift? I haven't looked at Swift's charts today. Let's have a look at Swift's chart, shall we? Just let me look it up here. Yeah, Swift's looking fine, just consolidating in the range. It's putting in a higher level of support right now. It's doing the exact same thing that XCN is doing right now, right? We're putting in these higher lows, right, for further continuation to the upside. You want to build these levels of support. We're holding strong right at this support level, 2 cents 05. That's fantastic. Good support level. So yeah, Swift's looking good, putting in a higher low. Studio Tech in the house. What's up, man? Rosa, hey, Robin family. It's looking lovely out there. Hell yeah, it is. Hell yeah, it is. Look at Jasmy's volume. Yeah, what's the volume look like on Jasmy right now? 405 million, guys. Yesterday, Jasmy's volume was like, 95 million? It's up at 405 today. Crazy volume spike. William, what's up, buddy? I just wanted to apologize to you for shilling everybody hold in your Patreon. Guy started blocking me. I didn't even, honestly, man, I didn't even know. No apology necessary, brother. No apology necessary, man. Listen, we're all a family over there, right? We want everyone, we want to help everybody, you know, succeed and stuff like that. So no apology necessary, man. You're all good, William. You are all good, brother. We love you, man. We love you. And listen, you can't please everybody, right? That's the thing, right? You got to take the crookeds with the straights. You can't please everybody. I can't please everybody. Believe me, I wish I could, right? I wish I could please everybody, but some people just don't like me for whatever reason, right? And that's fine. So I'm with you, man. I'm with you, brother. I'm halfway to becoming a millionaire. Was in early on JASMY. Nice. XCN. There you go, man. There you go, my friend. Climbing that ladder, brother. Climbing that ladder. Studio Tech, I hope I'm not late. Yeah, 50 push-ups, brother. You are about 45 minutes late, man. VCP, hey, Rob, would you buy Swift, XCN, or JASMY if you had to choose? Right now, I would zoom out to the weekly time frame, and I would look at what's down the most, and I would say that JASMY's probably down the most. Even though it's pumping today, JASMY's down the most out of the three of them, so I'll always target the one that's down the most when I'm choosing, right? By the way, Rob, Triple J says he's loving the Patreon. Well, the Patreon loves Triple J too, right? Triple J. Is that before or after Triple H? Little wrestling humor for you there, right? Little Hunter Hearst Helmsley in the house. Kat, what's going on, Kat? Good to see you. Good to see you. New subscriber here from Ireland. What's your price prediction for JASMY? JASMY, I would say 40 to 60 cents is where you should probably be leaving JASMY for this bull run. But also welcome to the channel, my friend. And love Ireland. Ireland in the house. Very nice. Very nice. Day rolling, you seem to know what you're talking about, but you are promoting your own coin, which is concerning. Day rolling, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. I don't have a coin. I don't have any coin, so I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a coin. I don't have a meme coin. I don't have a utility coin. I have zero coin. I have no coin, so I don't know what coin I'm promoting. That I think you're kind of misunderstanding what's going on here. I don't have a crypto project at all of any kind. So what you're concerned about, I don't know, man. I don't have a coin. Just Velo. Okay, just Velo. Yeah, I'll have a look at Velo for you, brother. Let's have a look at Velo. All right, $168 million market cap. It's got some room to go. Tokenomics aren't terrible. Let's go look at the chart. What's she gonna do in the near term here? Let's go to the daily. Look at that. She's been dropping, eh? She's been dropping, brother. Seem to have a little bit of support right here. You kind of double topped a little bit here. Kind of. A little bit of a double top, and that's why you're dumping. You could have a little bit more of a leg down. You might come down to, I mean, I don't think you'll come down quite this far to 1 cent, but you could come down, probably somewhere around here, 1 cent, 7.1, somewhere around there. You could see a bit of a dump. It might not be a bad DCA opportunity. So, yeah, it might not be a terrible DCA opportunity, man. You go. Oh, there you go. Got my 10 million and waiting. Hopefully we may make it to 10 cents. Nice. What's going on with Swift? I already looked at Swift. Yeah, Swift is just consolidating. It's putting in a higher low right now. So very bullish structure on Swift. Hey, Rob, what is this Godzilla candle? Fantastic. Yes, it is the face melting candle. It's like Onyx Coin, Swift, JASMY all have these, these big pumps loading. I love it. Absolutely love it, man. It's good times, guys. We're starting to creep into the good times of the bull run, right? So yeah, let's have some fun with it, man. Let's have some fun. I don't know how people could be bearish right now, to be honest with you, but Some people are perma bears, I suppose. Big C, I got more Jasmy this morning before the pump. Great timing. There you go, man. There you go. Big things popping, little things stopping. Sammy, hey Rob, did you come across RBN coin? That sounds familiar. I think we looked at RBN coin last year. No, we did not. No, I don't know what that is, brother. What's going on with XCN? Why is it got low? It's consolidating right now, man. It's not got low. Rob, my Jasmy is already fully packed. I remember last year when you were buying deep. I keep following your steps. There you go, man. And you are winning. You're winning. That's what we like to see, man. This is my first bull run, and I'm learning a lot along the way. That's the plan, man. Educate, right? Don't give a man a fish. Teach him to fish. AKTV, what's up, man? Rob the man, what's going on? Santa in the house. Let's get it. Chris, my guy, what's up, man? Hey, Rob, thanks again for the one-on-one over the Patreon. Hey, no problem, brother. I got you covered, man. Caesar went from bullish to... Caesar went from bullish to here overnight on XCN. Yeah, Caesar's always been bullish on XCN. He was one of the only guys talking about it like months ago when I was talking about it. I know he was because I was watching his videos. So, right? I remember looking through YouTube at the time, and there was like pretty much nobody talking about it except for like me, Caesar Knows Crypto, and like one or two other guys that did like a 1.5-minute videos. But primarily, yeah, it was just, Caesar was one of the only ones I could find talking about it. So the thing is, he's been bullish on it, but he's honest as well. That's the thing, right? If the chart looks like it's negative, then he's going to tell you then it looks negative. That's why I like watching his channel, right? He's not a moon boy. So I got a small bag of Jasmy, but I have a dedicated holder for years now. Nice. Luna, hey, Crypto Future. I'm looking for pull back to 3 cents. Are you talking about on Jasmy? Pull back on Jasmy to 3 cents? I don't know, man. What I'm hoping for on Jasmy, like what I would like to see here is a close outside of this this trend line here, right? I want to see a close outside of here and a confirmation of the potential breakout. That's what I'm hoping to see here. Who knows where? Oh, that's a scam. 400 million volume. Yes, crazy spike in volume on Jasmy. Hopefully the hype for Jasmy keeps up. Would love to see it over $1 billion. It's already over $1 billion. Jasmy's market cap is 1.58 billion. It's well over $1 billion. So, Rob, you're saying I should take my Christmas tree down. Santa isn't coming this weekend. Yeah. I mean, it's a pretty safe bet he's not coming. Leo, what's up, buddy? Overcome in the house. What's going on, man? Friends who are, oh God, another scam. Yeah, to the I don't know if you guys are catching those or not, because I see it on StreamYard. So whenever you guys delete something, it still pops up for me. But if you guys see those moderators, what are they? The X whatever coin? Those are just bots, man. Those are just bots. Yeah, this here, this XAI4M, those are bots. That's a scam project. I told you to pump. The pump will start this weekend till we get a leg up for resistance in February and March. V1 holder, what's up, man? Jasmy and Luna C. There you go, man. There you go. What are your thoughts on XYO and AMP? I love XYO. I think it will do fantastic. I think AMP will have a decent time, but AMP lost a lot of momentum because of Gary Gensler. And listen, I think AMP's peak was in the last bull run, right? I think it'll still have a good bull run this time around. But in terms of potential ROI and stuff like that, I think AMP's time was last bull run, because AMP went crazy last bull run. And you haven't really heard much about new partnerships new collaborations, new developments in their project when it comes to AMP. So I guess I'm just kind of neutral on them, I suppose. That's what I would say. Gotta drink my tea. Thank you. Hey, no problem, man. No problem, brother. Jasmy will back to his 3. Maybe, potentially, it could. It could. Took profits on my XPR this morning. Oh, you mean XRP? You mean? Now time to buy the gem. Nice. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done. D-Jar, what's up, man? Shiro Nico partnered up with your new gem. Nice. For a MasterCard. I put 200 in yesterday. Not a lot, just in case fails. FOMO. Nice. I'm gonna have to look into that, man. If you have any documents on it or any links, send them over to me on the Patreon so I can look into it. Our Health, what's up, man? Came in late. Maybe you talked about it already, but when are you looking for Myriad to run up? Honestly, Myriad, Web3 gaming plays, I don't think they're going to run. Usually they run last, or not necessarily like last, but they run later in the cycle than everything else, right? So I wouldn't personally, right now, I'm not personally expecting to take profits on any of my Web3 gaming plays until the fall. Right, that's for me. That's why I'm still DCAing into a few of them right now, is because I have time, right? So yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Lord of the Realm in the house. What do you think about Zebek? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. TM, hey Rob. I've enjoyed your content, so I've just joined the Patreon. I'll check it out soon. Thank you. Nice. Yes, we will be live over on the Patreon later tonight, so make sure you guys are there for that. We usually go live over there at about 9:30 p.m. Central, so you guys are going to want to do that. We do like a rapid fire. It's kind of evolved into like a rapid fire AMA, right? It's a live group video call, so everybody's live. We can see and hear you, so you pop in, and we have hundreds of people over there, guys, right? We have over 1,000 people there now, so you pop in. And it's basically me sitting there answering all of your questions over and over and over and over and over, right? Helping you guys out and stuff like that. It's turning into something absolutely phenomenal. Captain Jasmy in the house. What's going on, brother? Been a minute, man. It's been a minute. Where you been, man? Let's go. Team Jasmy. Yes, Team Jasmy. Like I said, man, I've been saying for weeks that this pop was coming, and here we are. Proving those doubters wrong. Batman Bapor, there's a huge crypto influencer on YouTube that says XRP is going over $1,000 this year. He's very confident about it. You know what? There has been big influencers saying that about XRP. They were saying it last bull run too. All of them were, right? And listen, I like XRP. I held XRP for 7 years, guys. That is conviction. That is diamond hand. 7 years I held it, right? But I took profits when we finally broke into all-time highs. I rolled it into other projects. You can't listen to these influencers who are telling you these things because, listen, they're putting that on their thumbnails and they're telling you these things so that you'll watch their videos and they get clicks. They don't think it's going to $1,000. They're just feeding you a bunch of stuff so that you'll watch their content, right? Loving the Patreon group, Rob. It's an amazing community. I'm really enjoying it. I just can't seem to find where to book. Just shoot me a DM over there. Shoot me a DM on the Patreon, and I'll get you booked in there. Steve, got to get that money. Got to get that money. I meant not Velodrome Finance, just Velo. Yeah, I got you. I got you, brother. XCN in the top 10. But yeah, nice. Yes, on Coinbase. Yes. It's getting scooped up, man. It's getting scooped up on the dip. Alex, can't wait for the Jasmy to get to 14, 15 because that is when it will become a Jasmy millionaire. First person in my family. There we go, man. Let's get you to that 7-digit portfolio, brother. How high do you think Turbo can go? I'm targeting about 10 cents for Turbo. Turtle Island Sasquatch. Can I get the new gems with the membership, or is that only on the Patreon? Yeah, if you're on YouTube members, then I actually put a post out for the YouTube members a couple of days ago about the new gems. So if you're a member, it'll pop up You'll be able to see the notifications from the posts, but for members, right? So yeah, we dropped that alpha on the members of YouTube as well. But honestly, man, at the end of the day, listen, you get far more being over on the Patreon, if I'm being honest with you. Jack W, what's up, man? What's up, John? I waited 10 months before anything sneezed. Bob Packlin in the house. Ty, what's going on, buddy? What's happening, man? RS Outdoors. Hey, from Scotland. Nice. That's on my bucket list, man. Scotland, I got to get there. That is, I'm actually about 82% Scottish. Cannot wait to go to the motherland, brother. It is a very wise to use a stop. Yes, very wise to use a stop loss on any of these. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. But I never recommend personally. I never recommend leverage trading personally, especially if you don't have experience. My bad. Hey, no problem. Day rolling, no problem, man. It's all good. It's all good. CF coin, yeah, yeah. I would never create a coin for myself. I'm not tech savvy when it comes to that stuff. I would end up accidentally rug pulling myself, right? That's what would happen there. I'd be like the equivalent of burning cereal, right? So yeah, I would never create a coin, ever, never. You'll never see me create a coin, guys. The JASMY to 40 to 60 cent prediction you're predicting for Aprilish or November, probably peak of the cycle. You didn't tell us about your new meme coin. How could you? Thank you, sir. You're a gentleman and a scholar. Hey, no problem, man. No problem, fam. Orca, please. Altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top, my friend. Rob, you're Canadian. Where from? Originally, I'm from Toronto. Day rolling. Rob owns JASMY, so listen to him if you want to be rich. Yes. How about XEN? Again, altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat. FOMO phase is in and euphoria is next. Yes, I agree. Well, you know what? No, I don't agree. I think we're lower on the chart than that. I've been through multiple cycles, and I don't even think we're in FOMO right now. I really don't. Like, when we're in FOMO, you'll know we're in FOMO, right? We're not even close, in my opinion. We haven't even seen Bitcoin dominance start to come down yet. I mean, what's Bitcoin dominance right now? It's like double topping right now, isn't it? It didn't put in a higher low. Let's have a look. Yeah, no, we're not that far in the cycle. Yeah, we're Bitcoin dominance putting in a higher low right now. We're not even close to anything like euphoria. Bitcoin hasn't even done its next leg up. I think we'll start to see some sort of FOMO start to hit maybe around the time Bitcoin breaks past $120,000, $125,000. We might see FOMO start to kick in, but retail's still not here. Retail's not in the market right now at all. Like, we're putting in a higher low right now on the on the Bitcoin dominance. That's not bullish for altcoins at all. Have you looked into this one? Amazing coin that is pumping. You smart ass. Well played, sir. Well played. XCN's having a little bit of a pump again. Check it out. It's breaking back up outside. So what we want to see, guys, is we want to see confirmation of a breakout here. We need this candle to close outside of the bull pennant if we want to see continuation to the upside. But we're hitting a little bit of resistance right up in this range, around that 3 cent 5.8, 3 cent 6 area, right? It was a message about gem coins. It sounded like it was a coin he made. Sorry. Yeah, no, it's all good, man. It's all good. We're a tight-knit community here, my friend. You know, everybody makes mistakes. It's all good. We may have a little bit of fun with it. We may poke a little bit of fun at it and stuff like that, but it's all good, man. We're a family here. You're safe. And yeah, welcome. What I would say is welcome to the community, my friend, right? So yeah. Welcome. What else do we have? Can you take a look at GSD chart, please? What is GSD? don't have a chart on CoinGecko. What's it listed on? Turtle Island, welcome to the family, man. Welcome to the family. Hey, bro, do you think about the tokenomics on what do I think about on XEC? Not sure if you were asked before, but I can't remember. XEC. Let's have a look, man. You're talking about eCash? XEC? Is eCash what you're talking about? I mean, that's a lot of tokens, if I'm being honest, for a max supply. But the fact that, you know, most of the supply is in circulation, like 90-something% of the supply or something like that is in circulation. That's a positive, right? That's a positive. All-time high was 303. Wow, this one, yeah, you could have a nice run on this one. It's got a lot of listings. I don't mind the tokenomics on eCash. I don't mind it. Where were we? Where were we? How do I feel about Helium Mobile? I like Helium Mobile. I'm fine with it. I am fine with Helium Mobile. I hold Helium Mobile, so I mean, I guess I feel good about it. Sir, have a look into this one. Amazing coin. Oh yeah, we were talking. It was a message about a gem. Just deposited some dry powder. Will it? We'll buy some Jasmy and more Swift and XCN. Nice, nice, nice. Might join your Patreon tonight or tomorrow. We'd love to have you, brother. We'd love to have you, man. XCN Moon, let's go, man. XCN fighting resistance. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's trying to make another attempt. So again, guys, you know, what we want to see is, like I said, we want to see the candle close outside of here, right? That's what we want to see. Confirmation of the breakout on the daily time frame. That's what we want to see. It could wick up till the cows come home, but if it's not closing the candles where we need to see the candle closes, then we don't have any confirmation, right? So, but so far so good. Jasmy, yes. Studio Tech, Rob, remember last year when you turned into Christmas Santa and it was very tough period? Remember? Yes, I remember, man. I remember. I had my Santa hat on and everything, brother. Good times, man. We have a lot of fun on this channel, right? We have a lot of fun. Good times, guys. I love this community, man. So positive, you know, always having fun. It's a great time. It's a great time. XEN pumping right now? Yes, sir. What do you think about Spell Token can go? It's kind of a running meme on this channel, if you're new, that I get asked about Spell Token. Because listen, it's not that I don't like Spell Token. It's that I don't like the regulations that are coming in place that is going to hurt Spell Token, right? You already looked at FET is an AI gem. Yeah, Fetch AI, yeah. Yeah, what about it? It's a good project. Should do well. Should do fairly well. Close at 4 cents would be nice. Yes, amen. Amen. Hey, I will take a close where it is now, though, honestly. Is XRP and Bitcoin going to take off? Everything's going to take off, my friend. Everything. Am new to XCN, but for sure was more room to run on XRP. Please look at Mantra. Altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat, my friend. XCN 30X. Yep, I agree. I agree. XYO. Subbed on Crypto CX recommendation. Nice. Awesome. Thank you. Crypto CX really recommended that you come over here. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. Welcome to the family, Rob. Welcome. And listen, I must say, I love your name. Rob is a great name. If you don't know, my name's Rob, so that's the joke. XCN's moving. Very nice. Very nice. On the right track. Sorry, only just joined. Few people are talking about XCN crash. What's your views? Apologies if you already discussed. No, it's not crashing. It's literally, it's on your screen right now. It's actually breaking out of a bull pennant, right? Can we close the candle outside the bull pennant? That's the question in hand, though. How do I join the Discord? The link to the Patreon is in the chat down below, my friend. You just got to click that link in the chat. Everything's pumping already. What's your thoughts on SCS? Altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top of the chat, guys. And I will pull up your altcoins. Oh, X marks the spot. What's up, man? Popping in and out. Any particular reason Jasmy's pumping? Yeah, because it was due. I've been telling everybody it was going to pump for weeks now. And we're finally here, right? XEN Moon, is it worth buying Jasmy now? Jasmy, well, if you zoom out to the weekly and the monthly, then Jasmy's still a good buying opportunity, right? TX Mom, what's going on? And the Patreon calls are recorded. I can listen to it later because I go to bed early. Yes, yeah. If you miss out on the live groups over on the Patreon, we record them and then I post the video so you can watch the replay of it later in case you missed it, right? Because we definitely go over a lot of important stuff, and you know, whether it's gems or education, how to deal with your banks, all kinds of important topics, right? So yes. Thank you so much, TX Mom. Absolutely. Cassius, hold the line, man. How about spell token? Mantra made more than XRP for me. Nice. There you go. Rob, you the man. So glad I was told about you. Thank you for your hard work. Hey, man, no problem. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Is Swift going down before up? Want to invest 50 more. I feel like Swift is consolidating right now where it is. I don't really think it'll fall too much further. It seems like it's holding a pretty solid support level on the daily, right around that 2.05 level. It could go down, but it seems to be holding some pretty strong support. Golden hands on XYO. Held for 4 years, sell at 200% of my. Nice. There you go, man. There you go. Nice pump. Where's the link to the Patreon? It's in the chat. I'm literally putting it there again. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description of the video. So yeah. What's up, everybody? What's everybody doing? Liquidity's in the house. What's going on, man? How high can XCN go? I mean, I'm kind of holding on to see what happens. We got 4 major catalysts that are coming. We have the potential Binance listing that I'm convinced is going to happen. We have the new white paper coming out on Monday. We have updates on the new XCN ledger coming out on Monday. Not the blockchain, but the details about the blockchain are coming out on Monday. We have a lot. We have a lot of catalysts coming, right? So there's potential for it to really, really skyrocket. What are your thoughts on Ski Mask Dog? Again, altcoin requests go in the goals tab at the top, guys. I think Swift will go higher than XCN just based on tokenomics and market cap. Yeah, no, you know what? I agree with you. If you're talking about dollar valuation, I think Swift could go as high as 40 to 50 cents, if I'm being honest. I mean, the market cap's still very, very tiny, for sure. Turning green, XCN turning green. Yes. Andy thought I was joining the Patreon. I guess I joined YouTube membership. Yes, you can cancel that and just join the Patreon, right? You get far more perks over on the Patreon. So, yeah, you can cancel the YouTube membership and just click the link in the chat for the Patreon membership. Jasmine also bounced off the trend line dating back to October. Yes, it did. Showing XCN showing life. Must be thinking of Bencoin. Yeah. Bencoin, yeah. You remember the guy that accidentally burned his own? Yeah. Yeah, Lily, I remember that. Yeah. You made a meme coin, and then that would be me. That would be me. I would make a coin, and then I would burn all my coins on accident or something, right? 100% that would be me. That's why I don't mess around with that stuff. Plus, like, honestly, guys, at the end of the day, on a real note, you guys know me. I had the opportunity to become an ambassador for multiple projects, including XCN in the early days, right? And I didn't do it. And the reason that I don't do it is because if I'm an ambassador or a representative of a project, any project, you can no longer trust what I say, right? I'm no longer non-biased, right? I have a bias because I have a vested interest in the project. So you will never see me take a sponsorship from a project on this channel. You'll never see me become an ambassador. You'll never see me launch a coin because you can no longer trust what I say at that point, right? Because I'm biased. So yeah. What do we got here? Nothing but the North Talk in the house, man. What's going on? Damn it, Rob. I sold every JASMY coin I had last night because of Learn Crypto's channel. I knew you wouldn't do something crazy like that, man. I knew you wouldn't do something crazy like that. XEN, I think this is the goals tab. My bad. Oh, no. Hey, man. Listen, if you're a member of the channel or the Patreon, you don't have to use the goals tab. I'll hook you up for that. If you're yeah, no worries, brother. No worries. I got you. You'll know when we're in FOMO. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. Abe, what's up, buddy? What's going on, man? JASMY 13K more holders to get to 100. Yes, we're starting to get close. We're starting to get close. Exactly. To 100K holders. Crazy, guys. So excited, right? And just wait till the PDL comes out and stuff, guys. Then it's really going to get crazy. Once their product gets launched, oh, you think it's crazy now, guys? Hold on to your bootstraps. It's going to get nuts. My dad's from Toronto. He's going there this weekend. He'll be there later tonight. Small world. Yes, nice. Yeah. Marvel's Engines. Nice. Yes, absolutely. The big T-Dot. Go Leafs, go. Excited to get started in the Patreon. New member here. Thanks for all your juice, Rob. You're the man. Hey, no problem, man. Welcome to the family, my friend. Like I said, we will be live over on the Patreon later tonight. Make sure you join us for that, too. It's going to be a good time, man. It's going to be a great time. Ty, what's up, buddy? Hope all is well, bro. Not crypto related, but do you think it's still good time to invest into silver? Funny story. I've actually been a silver bug for a very long time. I was a silver bug long before I even got into crypto. So, yeah, I mean, are you talking about the stocks or are you talking about accumulating the precious, like the physical silver, right? Like coins and bars and stuff like that. I don't do the stock. I do the coins and bars and stuff like that. Appreciate your due diligence. Got to go back to work. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. God candle incoming. Hold tight, man. Day rolling. What's the expectation for ZBIC this bull run? No clue, man. No clue. Been hearing a lot of GST Green Satoshi token. Nice. Nice. Rob, do you think $1 is still a price target for KASPA? My target's, I'm leaving at $2, Beebs. You know that, man. Bookmarked. XCN. I'm looking at 3 cents 544 this time. This coin has been a fat piggy for me. Yes, it's been a fat piggy for a lot of us, man. A lot of us have made a small fortune on that one. Well, some of us made a large fortune on it, honestly. Like I said, we've printed about 20 different 7-digit portfolios over on the Patreon over the last 2 weeks, guys. That's why you want to be over there, right? We got in early on XCN. We got in XCN March of last year. XCN. How about XPR? Yeah, good project. No, I'm not in ACH. Unfortunately, I'm not in that one. Give a look at Parcel and tell me what you think. The goals tab is where you put your altcoin requests. Hey, brother, I saw a ZBIC on your bubbles. Do you mind touching on that for a few minutes? Currently researching it myself. I'm still doing research onto it, man. Seems like it's got decent tokenomics. It's got a good narrative, low market cap. But yeah, I'm still doing some digging. I heard some things about it, so got to look further into it, brother. March FOMC, yes, it will be, man. Hopefully he doesn't do the opposite of what he did now, what he did this time, right? Don't crash the market, man. XCN's looking beautiful. Are we looking beautiful? I'm not on the chart right now. I'm looking at something. Yeah, we're fighting resistance here, man. Turtle just became a member, all in on XCN. Nice. There you go, man. XCN. Yeah, we have 4 major catalysts coming for XCN still, guys. So if you're asking me if it's too late to get in on XCN right now, it's my opinion that it is most definitely not too late to be getting in on XCN. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on that. I sold my ZBEC for JASMY. There you go. Is it a good time to start XCN bag? Is it too late? I just answered that question, Timothy. Good timing. What are your targets for the move if we do break out? Depends, right? I mean, I think we could hit around 6 cents, to be honest with you, and maybe consolidate. But I think that, you know, if we see that Binance listing soon, we're probably looking at closer to 10 cents, right? Buy right now? Yes, in my opinion, it is. Lucky, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. I heard ICH, I heard will drop before moving up this weekend. Oh. I invested in Spellcoin. Can you please suggest if it's a good investment? Personally, man, I have nothing against Spellcoin, but I wouldn't buy it. Their ecosystem depends on an algorithmic stablecoin, and those are going to be banned soon, so I wouldn't purchase it. That's just me, though. Thoughts on KASTA? Did you mean KASPA? Very bullish on KASPA. I hold KASPA. It's one of my top holdings. Justin, if you just learned about crypto today, which project would you DCA into? If I just learned about it today, I'd probably be buying Bitcoin, to be honest with you, because that's pretty much all I would probably know. But I'd probably go with something like Ondo, if I'm being honest with you. Something safe if I just learned about it today, because I need to build up my risk tolerance, right? Where is Cesar? I don't know. Well, I've been meaning to. I'm going to shoot him a message, and we're going to get him on. I'm going to get him on the channel. We're going to have a chat. Cesar's the man for sure. What's up, brother? Yeah, make sure you guys go. Here, you know what? Let me show you something quick, okay? Let me show you something quick. Patience, guys. Patience, right? Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys. So yes, Cesar is the man. This is, people always ask me, what channels do I watch? Right? They always ask me that. I watch Cesar's videos every night. When I'm winding down, I watch his XCN videos. I watch his Bitcoin videos because I think he's a legit dude. I think he's honest. He's not a moon boy. He doesn't just tell you what you want to hear. You know, he tells you what the charts are telling him. So whether it's good or bad. So yeah, that's one of my go-to channels for sure. For sure. What's up, brother? What's the next resistance on JASMY before we run to 10 cents? 7 cents, sorry. I think we're kind of sitting at a little bit of resistance right now on JASMY, honestly. Well, I mean, we're not at resistance. We're breaking out of resistance, right? The major resistance for me right now would be the 30-day SMA. It has acted like a pain in the ass in the past. So I do not want to see this candle come down and close below the 30-day SMA. I want to see us close above it for sure. So hello in Texas. What do you think? I'm having 160,000 coins XCN. Nice. That's a nice bag, man. Texas in the house. Cesar, Undead, Cat Meow, and Crypto Future, the best. Yes. Those were the other guys that were talking about XCN. That's right. Yeah. You think we can get there by this weekend? Get where? To 7 or 8 cents? Maybe. It depends on how violently we move, right? If we get this good candle close and a good start to the next candle close, opening candle later tonight, we could see some good stuff. Casta? I don't even know what Casta is. Patreon replays are a must in the East. Yes, I know. Unfortunately, you know, that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm in the East. Wait a minute. Or no, I'm in the West. I'm in the East. What the hell? I'm thinking the East east part of Canada, not the east part of the world. Oh man, one of those days, is it? It's one of those days. Right. What else do we have? We got to get ready to wrap this up soon, guys. It's already 2:30. Holy smokes. Brand new viewer. Happy to be here. Welcome to the family, Sal. Welcome aboard, my friend. Robin XPR. Yeah, I'm bullish on XPR. Good project. Watched Cesar's XCN video. Seen he gave you a shout out. That's awesome. You and Cesar are the OG XCN content creators on YouTube. And that's the bottom line, brother, because Stone Cold said so. Yes, Cesar is actually one of the OGs for sure on XCN. I agree. Can't join the Patreon because it's not supported in the UA. If it's not supported, you could join the Patreon tier level membership on YouTube. Bro, I wanted to join the community, but I have never been on Patreon. Is this a play to join your community? Is this a play? Which play are you talking about, Justin? We drop gems projects over on the Patreon to that we consider getting into, like XCN, for example. We got into XCN on the Patreon back in March of last year, so everyone over there made like 3,000% profits on that bad boy. Following Cesar's recommendation to join your Patreon. Nice. Caesar's the man. You guys make sure you tell him I said thanks when you're on his channel. He's definitely, he's definitely a good dude, man. He's definitely a very, very good dude. The goals tab. It's on YouTube, my friend. Holmes, what's up, buddy? There you are, man. What's going on, everybody? Join the Patreon yesterday. Nice. Jay Allen in the family, man. In the family. What's going on? I finally joined the page. Yes, Beebs, I saw you made a comment there yesterday, man. I was like, oh, Beebs finally made it over, man. That's awesome. That's awesome, brother. Welcome aboard, man. Thank you so much, Beebs. I appreciate you, my friend. Oh, that's a scam. Good point. Good point. Big Kev, there you are, dude. Where you been, brother? I was working out, so I already did my push-ups. Nice. You just threw in an extra 50 because you knew you were going to be late, right? Ironically, it's chest day for me at the gym today. What was your career before crypto content on YouTube? What did I? I've done a lot. I honestly spent most of my life as a professional athlete. I'm a retired professional wrestler. I used to travel most of the northern states in the U.S. and professional bodybuilding. So yeah, sold cars for a while. Now I just own a dealership. So, but yeah, retired professional athlete is the answer that I would give you. XCN Moon soon. Yes, Canadians don't have bias. Exactly. We love everybody. Let's go. I'll DM you. Yes, DM me, brother. Holmes, hey Rob, I joined too. The calls are awesome. Nice, Holmes. Nice to have you over there, brother. The family is all here, man. How is Swift doing? Consolidating in a bull flag? Yes, Swift is consolidating in more of a bull pennant, to be honest with you. Swift's going to be fine. It's holding support nicely at 2 cents 04, which is great, guys. Listen, just like 2 weeks ago, Swift was down below a penny, man. We're at like 0.007, 0.008, right? So the fact that we're now putting in a higher low and building some support levels over 2 cents, that's a very good sign, guys. Very good sign. Ali, what's up, man? Rob, do you cash out your profits in USD? I didn't see an option for Canadian Maple Leafs on the exchange. I cash out in maple syrup. Maple syrup. Go Oilers, go! Right? I like the Oilers. You can't have this generation's best player on a team and not like the team. I don't know. I like McDavid. I think he's good. On the right track, join the Patreon. Nice. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome to the family. I don't have a price prediction on Beam, but I do like Beam as a project. I don't hold any. Just checking KASPA. Nice. Maple Leafs. John just joined the Patreon and looking forward to the connection. Nice, John. Absolutely. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome aboard. Go Time. You and Cesar are the best 2 crypto channels on YouTube, hands down. Well, thank you on behalf of myself and Cesar. We work hard. We do work hard. So that's greatly, greatly appreciated, Go Time. Yeah, I'm talking about the stock. Oh, yeah. No, I collect. I'm more of a silver bug and gold bug. Like I like to collect the actual physical gold and silver. I don't really invest in gold and silver stock per se. I like to hold the physical, right? So yeah, that's what I would say to that. I have actually, that's kind of how I got into crypto. Originally, that's how I got into crypto, because I was a gold and silver bug, and it just kind of naturally transitioned me over to crypto. So, hey Rob, sounds like you're at the same point with Zebek as me. Just joined the Patreon. Ready for that money bags. Let's go, man. It's gonna be a bumping live stream tonight over on the Patreon, man. It's gonna be fun. What do you think about Celesta? Is it bottom already? Altcoin requests go in the goals tab. Rob, for us people in from Europe, the Zoom calls in the night is top late. The last 2 days you didn't do the call. Yeah, I've been. If you watch the videos, I said that we were not going to do the afternoon one temporarily because I've got to get through a lot of the one-on-ones, right? We got a lot of so once we get through a lot of the one-on-one coaching AMAs, then we'll start doing the earlier group live stream as well. So I'm just burning through some one-on-ones right now. We'll come back to it. Don't worry, man. VThor token, just a gas token for the VeChain network, right? So yeah, my XCN, let's go, man. Rob, you talk about Ondo and a lot. What's your price prediction? I could see Ondo hitting between 25 to 30 bucks. Honestly, Ondo's going to have maybe even higher than that, man. Ondo's going to have a fantastic run. The beautiful thing about Ondo is that next bull run is going to be even better for Ondo than this bull run, in my opinion. So, my Ultra Journey, what's up? I appreciate all your hard work. You are grinding every day. Thank you. Yes, definitely, man. I'm not as tired today as I usually am, though, so that's good. I don't think everyone is bullish enough for Proppy's tokenomics. I agree. I like Proppy. Cesar the man. Yes, he is. Cesar is the man. Too late to get into JASMY? Nope. No, it's not. If you zoom out to the weekly and the monthly, it's still a good DCA opportunity, in my opinion. I tell people about your channel ever since discovering it. TX Mom, you are absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Opinion on VThor? It's okay. It'll do okay. It'll have a good bull run. It's really just a gas token, from my understanding, for the VeChain ecosystem, right? So, Casper, I like Casper. I was a little worried about it when it got an exploit last year, and then they sold Casper Labs, I believe, to someone else. But they seem to be back on track now. I hold a tiny bag of it, nothing major. You and Cesar are my go-to channels. Nice. That's what I like to hear, man. Steph's Crypto got me started in crypto, but Rob made me a year's wages in 5 days. That's what we do, man. That's what we do. Do you think Toshi has potential to go high? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I wouldn't ape in. I would DCA, though, right? The thing is with those meme coins is that, like, they can get really high market caps, right? Like, we're talking like these meme coins can go to like 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 billion market caps. Projects like Toshi that have such big communities, right? And like, I'm trying to find Toshi right now. The market cap on Toshi right now is somewhere around $400 million. So yeah, it could theoretically, I mean, there's no guarantees, but yeah, $500 million right now. It could go to a 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 billion market cap, right? Meme coins tend to do that with strong community. So I think Toshi has some potential behind it still. Just be careful, right? Is Patreon the only move to get involved in your community? Yeah, I don't have we have a free Discord, but there's a lot of scammers over there, right? So yeah, listen, I'll put it this way for you guys. The only place you will ever have one-on-one access to me, whether it's through DMs or booking one-on-one coaching AMAs and stuff like that, or even just talking to me one-on-one at all, the only place you have access to do that is on the Patreon, right? You'll never get me one-on-one over on the Patreon or over on the Discord or anything like that. Too many people on the Discord pretend to be me and stuff like that. So that's why I just flat out will say, you know, you'll never talk to me over on the Discord, just the Patreon. So if you want to book time with me one-on-one to pick my brain or whatever, you got to be on the Discord for that. So yes. Rob, I hope you'll have time for the OGs now that your channel's growing. I'll always have time for the OGs, man. Love you guys. Too late to get into JASMY. Previous bull cycle was 32 cents. No, it's not too late to get into JASMY, in my opinion. Portugal in the house. Nice, nice, nice. Lee the Great put XCN at $1 end of the bull run. No, I don't think it'll go quite that high, personally. Do you think Swift will get a Binance listing? Yes, I do think there's potential for a Swift Binance listing. Absolutely. Swift is still making moves. They just integrated a new AI agent into their bridgers, right? Into their swaps. So, and also it also helps developers develop on their blockchain. So, yeah, I think there's potential there for sure. Any thoughts on Mana? I think Mana had a good bull run last time around, a phenomenal bull run. It's hard to say how metaverse plays are going to do this time around, right? So far, metaverse plays have not gained any momentum whatsoever, so it's tough to say. Timothy just liked and subscribed. Will be joining the Patreon. Timothy, I love you, brother. It's awesome to have you here, man. How many push-ups can you do? I don't know. I've never actually tried to burn out. I bench press 315 though for my sets, if that helps. Thank you for your hard work, and your members are incredible and insightful. I've learned so much. Hey, no problem, Desert Guy. We love having you, brother. 11K subs by the end of February. Calling it. Let's go. We're almost halfway to 11 now from 10, aren't we? Where are we at right now? Yeah, we're at 10,000, almost 10,500 almost. Yeah, we got to keep it growing, guys. Keep it growing. Keep it going. Let's get it popping. Big things stop it. Big things popping. Little things stopping. Lion's Den. I'm new. Yo, crypto got scammed minus $1,100 the other day, man. It was brutal. I'm so sorry to hear that, man. It's a bad day. You know, we all lose. We all lose when someone gets scammed in crypto. Nobody wins, right? So I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm so new to this. I keep hearing it's a bull run. So is this the only time you do guys trade? No. We are here on the channel and over on the Patreon all the time, every year, all year. What we will be doing as we roll into a bear market is we will be educating people on crypto, like on technical analysis, on how to identify gems, on how to do proper research, all that kind of stuff, right? That's what we go into when we're in a bear market. We start giving you guys the tools to be able to research stuff and find stuff yourself, right? So you're not dependent on somebody else. That's what we do rolling into a bear market. Neil, I'm on the Patreon now. Nice. Welcome aboard, my friend. Welcome aboard. Thoughts on Swift? Swift is one of my biggest holdings. I love Swift. Do we get a one-on-one for being a member? Yes, you do. You just got to shoot me a DM over on the Patreon. The one-on-one coaching AMAs, they come with your membership. You don't have to pay extra for that. If you're a member of the Patreon, you just shoot me a DM, and I will schedule you in as soon as I have an open spot available. So yeah, easy breezy. Right, couple more, guys. I gotta cut out in about 10 minutes, guys. So if you have an urgent question or something you want me to look at, send it over in a super chat to get my attention, because there's no way I'm going to get through all of these questions today. So if you want to get my attention, fire it over like that, because I got about 5-10 minutes left, and then I got to go. Let's put everything at $1. Yeah. Bullish on XCX. I think it'll do well. Alrighty, Rob, I'm sold. Join the Patreon. Let's secure the bag together. Nice. Welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome aboard. Boomer, there's my guy. What's going on, brother? You know what I noticed? We don't have Jetpack in the house today. What the hell, Jetpack? What the hell, dude? Where you at, bro? Speaking of JASMY, do you have any thoughts on why it had not come close to its all-time high in the last bull run? Yes, because the all-time high was when they had far less tokens in circulation. So what happened was they warned everybody that they were going to be dumping the rest of the supply in circulation so that the project was completely decentralized and no one entity had a large. So basically, they didn't want to be similar to Ripple, where they held 70% of the tokens. That would make it a very, very big red flag for any potential investor. So they dump the rest of the tokens into circulation. And when you do that, the price plummets to low prices, right? So to get back to the all-time high, you have to get what's called a TVL, which is a total value locked, which is tokens being taken back out of circulation, which makes it less tokens, which raises the value of said tokens, right? So as a quick lesson. So today, no meeting on the day Zoom. Why your KASPA prediction is so low? It's just 10x from this bull run. My price target for my price prediction for KASPA is not $2. You misunderstand me. I'm selling mine probably around there, but you know, listen, I know a lot of people are calling for like a $10 KASPA and stuff, and KASPA is a great project, guys. But listen, I've been around a long time, okay, and I've seen a lot of projects, and I'll use XRP or Cardano as perfect examples, guys. You're going to get a lot of people. It doesn't matter, okay? I know that these are great projects, but it takes time. It takes time, right? So KASPA's not going to jump from 12 cents to $10 in one bull run, most likely, despite what some of these other channels are telling you based on, you know, the fact that KASPA is better than Bitcoin and stuff like that. I get it, right? And KASPA is a great project. It's one of my biggest holdings. But you also, I've been around long enough to be able to explain to you that you also have to be conservative and realistic, right? Don't listen to moon boys. They will get you wrecked. You will end up holding your KASPA until the next bull run because you didn't take profits, because someone told you. You had BitBoy in the last bull run telling everybody Cardano was going to $10. Cardano went to $3.85 and then crashed back down, and everyone got wrecked, right? The Dogecoin community, the leaders of the Dogecoin community were telling everybody that Dogecoin was going to go to $1. It went to 72 cents, and then everyone that held on longer got wrecked, okay? If you do not, and you don't have to believe me, hold on and see if KASPA goes to $10 and see what happens, right? And you'll look back and you'll say, shit, I should have listened to Rob, right? That's how we make money. We're conservative, we're realistic, right? And we've made a fortune doing that. So that's what I would say. Top man for the response. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Yeah. Okay. So listen, I got to wrap it up there, guys. Listen, I will be live at 8 p.m. Central tonight on YouTube, and then we will be live over on the Patreon after that. We got 3 gems we're buying over there right now, guys. Do not miss out on those. Again, one in particular, guys, I think it's going to run like XCN has been running. It's got great tokenomics, great utility, great narrative. Everything lines up, low market cap. Get over there, guys. Find out what it is. Get in and join our live group calls over there as well, and schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. I will see you guys later tonight. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tonight.